There is a rupture. This is for rupture.
Rupture or some blockage.
Pump safety. It is
blocked in the suction.
It is for the pump safety going below the NPSH value.
Okay, guys. So 10-11-02. I will go for HAZOP now. I will go HAZOP. Actually, already I have pre-populated, but I will go for HAZOP.
Yeah, in HAZOP, what we have written. This is for the.
So, guys, if you see, we are saying upstream, no crude, low suction pressure.
Yes.
This is the first cause. Second cause is upstream cause low crude oil flow upstream MPS. This second, ultimately this is all same.
Yeah.
Third is malfunction closure of MOV 101101 at individual suction. That's correct. This is again a good initiating event. This is a PSTL, possible blockage of strainer. Yes, there's a strainer in the pump suction. And downstream causes, common flow. So this can also be taken credit. But why downstream of the pump can give the low suction pressure? I think this is not right safeguard. And before pump suction, before pump, I agree, but downstream cause cannot be taken. I will not take it. Okay. So guys, there were three causes. Let me come back here. If you see here, upstream, malfunction MOV, possible blockage. Downstream, Roman, I don't agree, right?
Yes, correct.
So I will remove it. I will put in the remark section. I saved in. As agreed and not or low suction pressure, low pump suction pressure, pump during SIL assessment. Okay, dear. So this is okay, and I remove it. This is not right cause. So guys, for low suction pressure, there are three causes. I put will sense low suction pressure, low pump suction pressure, and will trip pump. Okay, so if a pump doesn't trip, so it will damage the pump, and the pump internals will be damaged. So we are considering asset 1. This we have taken from here only. Asset 1. If you see, so this is asset 1. Asset 1. So we are considering the severity is less than 75 million, and this is none. And we are saying upstream no crude, malfunction closure, and this closure. So see, there is no initiating event for this kind of things. Upstream causes no crude oil from upstream MPS to pump. So Roman, how to take this initiating event? Because normally initiating event is for equipment failure or something. If you see here category, in this category there is nothing called as upstream or something. Or can we say like this? Or spurious operation, safety control, something like that?
No. This is not controlled because blockage in the suction, or we can say that that is also line only. There is a leakage in the line.
If we're talking about low suction pressure for MPS pumps, that might occur if the control valve for the existing wells at MP21 is open. This control valve is responsible for setting the pressure at MP21. If this control valve goes to its full position or goes